Since morning, what matter the trend? The certified true copy of the judgment given by the appeal court in the Kano state governorship election have come out. And to the surprise of everybody, waiting the court judges' rights for their judgment, no being the call read for court. Now totally different thing that they call it. For waiting the call read for court, they say na APC win the case. But for waiting the right for their judgment, they say APC lose the case. And at the one that writes that first day, they don't write am before they call it down. So how come they write APC lose case? Then when they call it down, APC don't win the case. Now the one they cause quarrels this morning now. Nigeria has been on standstill. The paper is flying everywhere. Certified true copy is flying everywhere. We are seeing the judgment with our eyes. What you wrote is different from what you read. May I show you? According to the Guardian, contrary to public declaration, fresh revelation have indicated that the Court of Appeal sitting on Kano governorship election set aside the judgment of the Kano Petition Tribunal. In the revelation as contained in the certified true copy of the appeal court judgment released on Tuesday, the Appellate Court upheld the victory of Abba Kabir Yusuf of the New Nigerian People's Party (NNPP) as duly elected governor of Kano. The three-member panel of the appeal court on Friday, 17 November 2023, had dismissed the appeal filed by the governor Yusuf on the basis of his membership status. The Appellate Court subsequently affirmed Nasiru Yusuf Gawuna of the All Progressive Congress (APC) as winner of March 25, 2023 governorship poll in Kano. In one instance, the Appellate Court declared, "I will conclude by stating that the live issues in this appeal are hereby resolved in favor of the first respondents (APC) and against the Appellate Governor Abba Yusuf," but went further to contradict itself in another sentence. Now see where the court contradicts itself. The court said, "In the circumstances, I resolve all the issues in favor of the appellants NNPP and against the first respondent APC." The court further contradicted himself, declaring, "Therefore, I find no merit in this appeal, which is liable to be and is hereby dismissed." But in the final line of the judgment, the court set aside the judgment of the tribunal, which sacked the governor. The judgment of the tribunal in petition number EPTKNGOV01-2023 between All Progressive Congress (APC) versus Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) and two others, delivered on the 20th day of November 2023, is hereby set aside. The CTC of the judgment read. Recall that the Kano State Governorship Election Petitions Tribunal on September 20th sacked the governor and declared the candidate of the All Progressive Congress (APC), Nasiru Gawuna, winner of the March 18th governorship poll. Dissatisfied by the lower tribunal's decision, the governor, through his counsel, Wole Olanipekun, asked the Appellate Court to set aside the judgment of the tribunal. But the Court of Appeal, in a unanimous ruling on Friday, said the governor was not a valid candidate in the March 18th gubernatorial election. Addressing journalists Tuesday evening, Kano State Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice Haruna Dederi said 67 pages of the certified copy of the judgment clearly indicated that the tribunal's ruling that sacked Governor Yusuf was set aside. Dederi insisted that contrary to what the judges read to the public in the courtroom on the 17th November, the written evidence has vindicated Yusuf as legitimate governor of Kano State. First and foremost, let us explain the meaning of CTC, certified true copy, so that we understand the spiritual work where they have for this country now. Now, if you get a case for court, any case at all, let's say landlord and tenant, they can carry the matter go court, they can present am before the judge. The judgment where the court wan give, where the judge wan give, he go write am. Now write, they write the judgment. So when it comes to give you the judgment, now that's the way all right. Now in the real give you. So the real judgment and the one way don't write, that is judgment is giving you in court. You will notice he's reading a book. Now that one way don't write, now they read. That is what we call the certified true copy of the judgment. Now after the case, the people who get the case go go ask for the judgment in writing. That book you need to give us so that my lawyer can read it and understand, because most times when you dey give judgment for court, we dey sleep. The book dey too long, so when you dey read 67 pages, some lawyers dey sleeping because dem know say dem go collect that paper later, dem go check wetin you dey read, so e no really concern dem. Now, for the Kano State election, they first of all went to tribunal. Tribunal say make dem cancel 165,000 votes when NNPP wey win election get. Dem make dem make APC candidate the governor. Now governor go appeal the case to appeal court. Appeal court judges come hear the case, they come write their judgment, they come read am. Now this is where the problem is. The judgment wey dem write and the one wey dem read different. The one wey dem write na NNPP candidate governor, now they judge the case in favor of. How come they write something totally different between where you write am and when you come read am? The case judgment don change. How come? Is it that something has happened before you went to read it, or what happened? Because yesterday on Arise TV, Femi Falana said it, that he's confused, that the judgment that the judges wrote is different from what they read. So if the one Femi Falana can be confused, why be? Nigerian judiciary is just making a mess of themselves. And this is the first time I'm hearing this in my life. You wrote a judgment in favor of NNPP. You even wrote the judgment that APC should pay NNPP 1 million for wasting their time. And finally, when you come with that, it did not change. Meanwhile, this judgment was given on the 17th of November. The parties have 14 days to file their case to Supreme Court in case of appeal. That means as you lose the case, if you say you no agree, you wan carry the case go Supreme Court, you have 14 days to file to Supreme Court. You need that CTC copy for you to read am so that you fit file your case. The judge delayed it. The court delayed it for 4 days. For a lawyer that have just 14 days to file his case to the appeal court, he needs a copy. He go first read am, he go vet am, he go say okay, see the loopholes, then he go know wetin dey present. You don comot 4 days. Why were you holding on to the copy? Now finally the copy don come out. We don find out say wetin you read different from wetin they write as judgment. Something is absolutely wrong with this country wey we dey call Nigeria. It's not alright. Something is definitely wrong with Nigeria. We dey wait, make I go Supreme Court. We want to see how this matter plays out.